HoseHawk Pro is a tiny hose attachment, supposedly strong enough to replace a pressure washer. Seriously? Give me a few minutes. I'll show you what this really is. This is the ad itself. Probably the same one YouTube already shoved in your face. They claim it has some kind of compression chamber designed by German engineers. Sounds fancy. Until you notice they never explain any of it. No diagram, no specs, no real technical details. Instead, they sell drama. Big companies want it banned, regulators want to neuter it, and then they show it blasting dirt off sidewalks, fences, and brick like it's a full pressure washer. But look closer. A big part of this ad is AI-generated AI shots, AI text, heavy AI edits, and some of the footage is clearly not even this product. So what are we actually looking at? A mix of real footage, AI slop, and random clips from other products, all stitched together to sell one super powerful nozzle that supposedly delivers pressure washer performance. Yeah, sure. Now let's click the ad. We land on buyhosehawkpro.com, and right away it's the usual circus. Professional water pressure in a compact design, 4.9 stars. 3,453 verified customers, rated excellent. Then you notice the media logos, a BC, Daily Mail, Insider, Forbes, but they're just pictures. No links, no articles, no proof those outlets ever covered this product. Just fake credibility pasted onto the page, classic move. Then come the pressure tactics. Sale ends today. Save 56% now. Countdown timers. Same fake urgency. Same cheap trick. Rush you before you stop and think. Scroll down and the images get weird too. A lot of them look AI touched or fully AI generated. Then of course the comparison table. HoseHawk Pro versus competitors. And wow, what a shock. Their product wins every category, totally unbiased, obviously. Then comes the 90-day money-back guarantee, easy refunds, no questions asked, at least on paper. Right after that, the verified buyer reviews. Sarah M., Chris J., Alex K., Ava T. Who are these people? You can't verify any of them. Just first names, initials, and neat little stories that magically support the sales pitch. Now the checkout page, KiroBrands.com, and the same tricks show up again. Most popular bundle, buy more, pay less. Sale ends today. They even repeat the same perfect reviews there too. Now let's verify this thing the normal way. First, stop, Trustpilot. At the time I'm recording this, buyhosehawkpro.com has exactly one Trustpilot review, 1 star, that's it. So no, that does not match the site's glowing 4.9 from 1,000 story. Then I checked the payment domain, KiroBrands.com. That rating is about 1.2 out of 5 on Trustpilot. That is awful, and most of the reviews are negative. People say the ad and the actual product do not match. In other words, the flashy promo is not what shows up at your door. There are also multiple complaints about extra subscriptions appearing after purchase. Around $30 per month. Users say this was not clearly explained and got added through deceptive checkboxes or fine print. So you think you bought a nozzle, but apparently you may have also signed up for a recurring monthly charge. That's a problem. But there's one more thing you need to see. The price. What does this thing actually cost? Because on their site, they want around 40 bucks. So let's check AliExpress. And there it is. The exact same nozzle price, around $1. Now compare that to the roughly $40 to $50 they want on the HoseHawk site. Massive markup. So what is this really? A cheap spray attachment? Not a real pressure washer? Not 3,000 PSI? Not some German engineered breakthrough? And yes, I've seen this exact gadget before. It used to be sold under another name, Kinux Aquaxis. Same shape, same trigger, same metal tip, different branding, same product. Back then, Aquaxis was also sold as a miracle pressure washer replacement, and that turned out to be a scammy offer too. Its Trustpilot rating sits around 1.2 out of 5 with a pile of 1-star reviews, and the complaint is exactly what you'd expect. It does not do what the ad promises. It's just a glorified hose nozzle. My advice? Ignore it. Don't buy it. Don't give them your card, and don't fall for the fantasy that this thing replaces a real pressure washer. It doesn't.